Surprisingly, yesterday in my research about the depth of this nation, how do we clear our depth? I discovered one funny thing. How many people know what we call sawdust? When you go to the timber market, you see heap Kumasi, they heap it. And what do? They burn it. We burn money away. Yesterday I discovered that sawdust has a market value of $7.9 billion. In the year 2021, it was 5 point something billion. And then in the year 2022, it jumped to $7.9 billion. And it means by the next year it will continue. People are looking for sawdust. We are burning it. We who are hungry. Those of you who don't know, every wine, champagne, expensive drinks, their cork is made from the sawdust. Come on now.
Yeah, it's true.
The one you pop is sawdust. And we have it and we burn it. Why? We don't have leaders. Because for the common person, he will burn it. He doesn't know what to do with it. That is why you are a leader. You, the leader, you go looking for what can we market from our land and income the nation. That is the duty of a leader. The duty of a leader is to go around looking in the market. What can we sell that we can get from our land that we don't need? Such as sawdust. If Ghana can export sawdust, which has a market value, if Ghana can export our sawdust, which has a market value, in the year 2021, the market value was $5.7 billion. And then year 2022, the market value was jumped to $7.46 billion. And I believe by this year, 2023, 2025, it will increase. They can use it in doing so many things. Sawdust. Sawdust. Even when you mill rice, there's rice dust too. So many things we don't care, we destroy, can earn us money. Sawdust. If the market value is $7.4 billion, and Ghana we can tap only $1 billion, it's okay. And build from there, increase it from there. I think some 2 years ago, Ghana exported sawdust, I think only $8,000. $8,000? Yes, dollars. That's how much we exported. And the rest we burned it. That is why in the beginning we said the biggest thing we need as nations in this world is an effective leadership. What is an effective leadership? An effective leadership is a leadership that is competent. That's one. Compassionate. That's two. Decent. And good. 4 things make an effective leadership. We have people in leadership, but they lack leadership. They are just there. They don't have what is called leadership. If we do, we could have solved this country's problem with ordinary cassava, which has over $200 billion market value. Cassava. Because most of the industries use starch, and the best starch can be gotten from cassava. And Ghana, almost 80 to 90% of our land can grow cassava, even in the north. In the north, we eat cassava there. So what is the problem of this nation? No problem. Our problem is leadership vacuum. Politicians are not leaders. It's been made clear. They are not leaders. That is why we are where we are. Ghana began before Singapore. I always use Singapore because they were looking at us as mentors. They want to learn from us. Look at you came to Ghana. But today, look at you, Singapore has $500+ billion as reserve, foreign reserve. About 3 years ago, every Singaporean was given $300 in their account from government because they had surplus profit. And to be able to $300, Mungodi, free. They are not taking you tax, they are rather giving you money. Here they tax your mobile account. So when will they give us money? Singapore, they were giving people $300. Even babies that were born that day, they got some. Because your birth certificate number is your bank account number. Straight. A country that had only fish when it started. And when we started, we had gold, diamond, bauxite, cocoa, so many things. But look at us. Up to today, we have open gutters. We can't even cover the gutters. Cleanest city in Africa. Yes. This morning I just passed Accra and I was just telling my children that look at how they have made the place dirty. And the metropolitan office around, the metropolitan people themselves, their area, the women have made the place dirty. What is that? Do we have leadership? Anyway,